The Family Courts Amendment Act, 1991. Earlier we have explained the Family Courts Act, 1984, and today we are here to discuss the Family Courts Amendment Act, 1991. Enacted to address domestic issues, this act provides a specialized platform for resolving family disputes. Covering matters like divorce, child custody, and alimony, these courts prioritize the well-being of families, emphasizing mediation and reconciliation. They aim for amicable solutions while upholding legal integrity. The Act's establishment marked a significant shift towards a more empathetic and efficient legal approach to family matters. The Family Courts Act, 1984, remains pivotal in promoting harmony and fairness within families. Let's continue nurturing healthy relationships and fostering understanding.